Today we are making some paccheri, pesce spada and melenzane. Very good. It's typical Sicilian dishes. It's very good. And also we're gonna make another one alla norma. We take a plain fresh tomato sauce, just basil, just a little bit ricotta on the top. It's very nice. We're gonna show you soon as possible. Okay? Permesso? Si può? Buongiorno. Un po' di pesce spada ci sta? Americana da filmare, no? Allora, me ne devi dare. Quella che hai pigliato, ma è 3
Le 3 e 1.
fa così, Buongiorno! Allora, per favore, una bella media, sì, perché ci fai crocchette, se no mi spalla la cottura, capito? Ma c'è cose che ci faccio qui, ma c'è che c'è, mezza di più, no? Ci fa più, sì. Perfetto. Buongiorno. Salve. Ma mi è andata a Foggia. Serve un pezzo di cottatura, ce l'hai? Sì, da grattugiare, perfetto. E un fior di latte. Okay, we are cooking a little bit this fresh tomato. Just because we have to do one dishes, and I'm going to show you step by step. So right now I need to cook this a little bit. Then we put other stuff together and I'll show you how to do it, okay? Let me cook this first. The garlic is almost ready. When you see the garlic gets a little bit brown, we need a little bit. So the tomato can take the taste with garlic. Okay, fresh basil, go like this, look. We don't need that. Okay. Now pay attention because
It moves fast and
yeah.
splatter.
Okay. You going? Here you go. Wow. A little bit down. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now what do? We just put a little bit of water. Let them cook. Okay, should be good. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. It's good enough for now. There you go. Put this on top.
Bene così.
Okay, take this off. Okay. This is swordfish, right? Swordfish says in English?
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Yes.
Okay. This is bones, we cut it off. All the pieces we have to make a little bigger because after you cook, they get smaller. They shrink. Shrink? How do you say? Shrink. Whatever. It's simple, nice, fresh and simple. Okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, a little bit of garlic again. You just break the tomato like this, so all the juice can come off. and they give a good taste. Like this. See, it's blonde. Nice blonde. Look. I take it off this time. Okay. Put this in. Very simple. Okay, take this off. Okay, it's enough. I save this for later. I'm gonna make something else. Okay. Here she go. See. Brava. Brava la nonna. La pasta molto molto. Okay, we have to put this really low because it has to cook a little bit at a time. Okay, I think like this is good. Okay, let's put pasta. Oh my God, this bag is very. Pacchero. There you go. Okay. Okay, I want to test it first because it's very important to taste before you put more salt and more everything. Because you have to be sure if it's good already or if not. A little bit, but just a little bit. Già hanno un sapore impressionante. Ok. Let it cook very softly. Ma che stai facendo? Nonna! Clarissa, ride!
Io ti faccio male. Io ti faccio male.
Ci fa pure i crocchiaro. Ok.
Questa è la menta.
Sì. Ah.
No, questa sai cos'è?
È menta.
Questa è che l'erba che esce un coppamento buona.
No, it's ok.
Non bene.
Ma
Here.
è un poco buono.
No, questa non è data dalla menta buona, ti dico la verità.
No, ma non l'abbiamo comprata, l'ha aiutato a fare mamma andazzi di nonna. The secret of this dish is this. Menta. Look, you put menta, fresh menta. Okay, just a little bit more. Leave this here. Okay. Now we gotta do. Just let them cook very slowly. I already taste it tastes very good. And we still need one more thing in this plate. Okay, now we're going to put eggplant. There you go. The one we cut before, right? Don't get dirty, Joe. Okay, this dish I'm making because I don't know if you know, I left from Naples to go to Sicilian 12 years ago, and I have a restaurant, and it's dishes from it's Sicilian dishes, and I think it's very good, the best dish they have over there. It's famous there, and I love it. That's why I wanted to make it. I want you guys to try this dish, and then after we eat, you guys let me know how the dish is. Okay? Okay, the pasta is ready. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, let me get this one. Don't move. Okay. It's more kullanmış. Ready? Look at color. Look the color. Look, beautiful. Look. No.
Sono cazzo di andare a sudare.
Okay, there you go. Cut it off. Okay. We warm it up with the tomato sauce. Okay, the pasta is ready. The pasta I'm going to do this way this time. No, nothing. Okay. Wow. Ma la salsa è pure assai, no? This basil like crazy. I love basil. It's my favorite one, basil. It's dirty. Now we're gonna put in a plate. Si sente? Okay, what do we have here? It's paccheri alla norma. Just fresh tomato sauce. We take a plate and ricotta cheese, but it's like a cheese. Now the one soft. They call ricotta salata. Okay. Here we have a pepperoncini. Nonna make it. Very nice and very good too, with the fresh tomato and basil. And here is the swordfish with eggplant. They call pesce spada e melenzana. It's Sicilian dish. It's very nice, very good. You should try. And then we have mozzarella, and we have olives and bread. And now we're gonna eat it. Bye.